guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a quick butt workout for you, but you're gonna notice it's gonna work your whole body. So if you're ready, grab a mat and let's go. So we're first gonna come onto our side and balancing on our knee and come for kind of like a half side plank. And we're just gonna lift the leg up and down, really working the side hip. Really making sure that we're stretching our leg to its full potential, pointing the toe as much as we can, and we're keeping that stomach nice and strong, so no arching, no slouching. And we're just gonna keep going up and down, and the arm is following, but if it's too difficult for you, then just keep the arm outstretched in the air. And now we're gonna kind of do a crunch action. So we're meeting our elbow with our knee and crunching and then stretching out to the side. With all these exercises, we're usually doing 2 times 8 or just 1 times 8. Just follow me and I'll take you through it. And let's pause, and we're gonna come for pulses, and the arm is gonna go around one way, and then it's gonna go the other way. Keeping that leg stretched, pointing that toe. Let's turn forward onto that knee, and we're keeping that same leg up, turning it in as well, and we're just gonna go stretch up, kick, bending. Kick up, and then bend the leg. Still keeping that toe nice and pointed. Our stomach is nice and in, so no arching here. And keep going. Now we're gonna come for a funny movement, so we're bending that leg and we're kind of stretching it up to the sky. So not stretching all the way, and we're just lifting the butt as the leg kind of stretches up. This is a very fast movement, so just kick that leg up as you stretch it. And we're gonna pause and do little pulses. Gonna really feel this in your hamstring and butt. Good, stretch that leg and let's hold it there for a minute. Actually not a minute, but anyways, let's go down onto the stomach now. So you can keep your body all the way down or you can keep it up like I am, and we're just gonna lift the leg up and down in a very gradual movement so it's not super quick. Still keeping that toe pointed and stretching that leg. Good, and now we're going to just keep that leg in the air and bend it. So really keeping that thigh up in the air and just bending and stretching, pointing that toe, stretching the leg all the way. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the leg out to the side, stretching it, and come for pulses. So this is really fast now. Still keeping that toe pointed and stretching that leg. Don't let it go. Awesome. Let's come for a quick child's pose, just to stretch those hips out, your lower back, and your shoulders out. And also to catch a breath and take a nice little break. And let's come up, and we're gonna repeat this all on the other side. So we're gonna start with the side plank, and we're just gonna lift the leg up and down, stretching it, pointing that toe. When you point your toe, you're also working your calf, and when you're stretching that leg, you're working your thigh. So you're just working the whole body in this sense. Also, don't forget to keep your stomach in and shoulders down. No slouching, no arching, keeping that posture nice and straight. You can look down or you can look up, however is comfortable for you. And we're going to come for the crunch and stretch it out. Crunch and stretch it. And let's pulse it out. Arm is going around one way, and then it's gonna go around the other way. So coming forward and around. Good, let's rotate on that knee and come forward, keeping the hip turned in. And we're just gonna go up, stretch, bend it. So kind of kicking up and then bending the leg. Bending and stretching. Bending and stretching. Keeping that toe pointed, stretching the leg, trying to keep that belly button tucked in. And let's come for that kind of funny movement. So we're just bending and almost stretching, and the leg is going up with the hip at the same time as stretching in the air. Good, keep going. This is a very fast movement. Keeping that hip turned in the entire time. And let's pulse it out, still keeping the hip turned in. And now stretch that leg, hold it, and let's slide down onto our stomach. And we're just gonna lift the leg up and down now, pointing the toe, stretching the leg. And let's bend that leg and stretching it, bending and stretching it. We're almost finished. Just keep going, keeping that thigh off of the ground. So final exercise, stretch that leg out to the side completely, and let's just go up and down, really fast pulses. Point that toe, stretch that leg. You've got this. Awesome. So now you can come to child's pose, and we're just gonna stretch everything out now. So just stretch those shoulders, stretch that lower back and the hips. And let's come up, and we're gonna come for a cow face pose. So bring that leg over the knee. And we're just gonna go down all the way. If you can't do this full position, it's totally fine. Just do your best. And let's bring that leg behind us and come for a nice quad stretch. You can come all the way down with your body, or you can keep it up like me. And just hold here. And let's come for cow face on the other side. And again, we're just gonna go down, really feeling this in our hips. And bring that top leg around and behind us and come for the quad stretch. And release. And let's bring our feet together and come for a butterfly pose. And we're just going to go down, just letting our body do its thing. You don't need to push down. And come up. And we're finished. So I hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!